penis is being destroyed if you follow these 6 bad habits. Eating too much sugar. Sugar can slow down the production of testosterone in the body because of the sharp increase of insulin production. Not getting enough sleep. 93% of the world doesn't get enough sleep every night. Getting 7 hours or more as an adult is required if you want good testosterone levels. Drinking too much alcohol. Alcohol decreases testosterone levels when consumed in large quantities. This is because metabolizing ethanol lowers the amount of NAD plus enzymes in your body, which are essential for testosterone production. Running too many miles per week. Per research by the University of British Columbia, running 40 miles or more a week drops your testosterone production by up to 17%. Being inside too often. Being inside causes the body to lack in vitamin D, which is an essential nutrient for testosterone production. Consuming too much soy. Harvard studies show that penile health and soy consumption have a direct correlation, and some can develop penile dysfunction if it is consumed too often. Follow for more health tips.
Get Salmon X, link in description.